There is a lot of stuff. It is made out of wheat straw. These, the food tastes like soap. These for smoothies. These are great. We have a lot to clean. It was time to get rid of all the little baby things. Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we are going to be doing some cleanup. It is time to get rid of all the baby things. Yes, you heard right. We're gonna get rid of a lot of these small plates, the small spoons. We're gonna get rid of my bottle station slash sanitizer, the baby Breeza. Basically, just reorganize the kids' cupboard because it is a hot mess. We have so much stuff in there that it drives me nuts. So, welcome to a organize and declutter video of all baby kitchen things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff in these cupboards. Some of the stuff I don't even use anymore. Some of them are just old. So we're just going to honestly take everything out, place it on my counter, and then slowly go through the things that we will actually keep, need, etc. Then we're going to just rearrange everything so that I know exactly where everything is and it's not a hot mess.
Dim landscape, and I know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you.
All right, we have officially placed everything on the counter. Now, let me explain what I'm gonna keep and what I am going to donate. The dinnerware that I just recently bought, I tested out and I really enjoyed, is this one right here. It is made out of wheat straw. It does not leach, and most importantly, it does not taste like soap when you leave the food in here. I had literally no lie, recently bought these. They had really good reviews online, but no, you guys, these, the food tastes like soap when you put them inside. They were just not working. I recommend them only for snacks, so nothing hot basically. So if you have like puffs, goldfish, crackers, they're great for that sort of stuff. Whenever the food is hot, it just causes that soap flavor to really just get in the food. The kids were not eating their food, which was the most frustrating part. Ever since I switched to this, they have definitely been eating the food.
Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could.
So on this bottom, I'm going to place all of the cups. I have these cups that I believe I got at Target. These are great for smoothies once they get older. It has a little stopper right here so that they don't pull on the straw and it doesn't go, you know, everywhere. One thing I will say is one of the kids likes to push it down and then it creates a mess. I honestly don't know how they do it, but they do. It goes down, and so that's why I also have these for smoothies. These are great. They have this little section. It's a perfect size for them to drink their smoothies and it doesn't go all over the place. So for that one child, we have that one. But 1, 2, 3 right there. Next up, we have this little, I don't know, clear bin. I have these. These are reusable for yogurts, frozen smoothies. I love using these for on the go so that they don't make a mess with their yogurt. Sit in there and they love them. Now a lot of these toys are teether toys. My little one is still teething, so we're going to keep those in here. It just keeps them all kind of contained, and when that teething does come, she plays with this. So this one we're gonna place back here. It can't go long ways. I wish it could. It's too long. So far it's been working here in the back. Now, right in front of this, I will be placing the caps to the bottles so that I know where they are, they're accessible, and they don't get lost. I like stacking them. So in this little thing, it's made for snacks, but I like to store these. These basically help the milk and water not leak in the Dr. Brown bottles. So these are crucial for when we travel or go out, and then pacifiers. This is made for snacks, but I keep all these in here so that way I know where they are. So these are great as well for smoothies, drinks. They have this in the inside, so this prevents it from going all over the place. And if you want to travel with it, you can always just flip it and put it this way, so that way it doesn't leak in your diaper bag. I got these also at Target, but I think I've seen them online on Amazon as well. This is another one that we use for smoothies. I got this one from Walmart, so I wanted to see what the difference was. I tend to use both of them, so we'll keep this right here as well. These are the other bottle lids that I use because one of my girls uses the Advent ones and the other one the Dr. Brown. It's funny how they each like one and they just did better with one versus the other. So I have both of those and I keep it right here. Now here at the very top, I'm going to add my vitamins. These vitamins I use on a daily basis, but I keep them in a little like vitamin sleeve, so I just refill them when I need to. So it's something that I don't have to have access to 24/7. Same thing with this Tylenol and these little gums for teething. These are the organic ones. This is what they look like. These work really well. I really like them. So whenever my kids teeth, I've always used that and they seem to feel much better. I'm also going to place these bottles because my little one likes the Dr. Brown bottles, but she's not quite there yet drinking this much milk. So I'm going to just keep them here in the back. She's about to be 1 and I'm sure she's gonna start drinking like way more once she starts drinking like oat milk, coconut milk, etc. So I'm gonna leave that pretty open because I'm going to use this little section for anything that I don't use on a regular basis. This bottom section is going to be my bottle section because the girls still use bottles. I will also place in here first aid kits. It's always important to have one handy, and the formula as well. I'm also going to place the vitamins here. Ever since we started taking these vitamins, the kids do not get nearly as sick as before. So I recommend these. My friend actually told me to use these and I figured why not. So these are gonna go right here because we take those daily. Now here are some of the bottles that go in here. These I use for when we travel. We need the bigger size one. So this is something else that is for bottles, and it's basically a formula container or snack container. I have easily placed in here blueberries, goldfish, anything like that, but it's really meant for formula. I got this in Germany when we lived there for like 3 months, and it's awesome. It's tall, so that's convenient for when I want to place it in the diaper bag. So I'm still gonna keep this because it's good for snacks. Probably gonna keep it here in the back because it's not something I use daily. Place it right there. Okay, that looks so much better. The clutter is out. This is the rest that I have left. I think I'm going to keep these, but place them in the top because I just don't use them a lot. And I feel like they would be great for picnics. Once again, anything cold, great. I can place like a peanut butter sandwich here, some goldfish, and some fruit, and take these to the beach, to the park, and have a picnic. So I think I'm going to just end up keeping them, but placing them at the top. If I don't use them by the time we move out of here, which we're planning on moving out here in next March, then they'll be going to the donations because I'm not packing them up. But we'll see what happens. It's always so hard donating things, is it not? I mean, like, it's not like I have an emotional attachment to them because honestly, they taste horrendous. But it's just like, it's such a good, I don't know, concept of a product, but so sad to see that it just does not really work as intended. But see, we could totally use these for snacks. Well, I might keep them for that. Just don't put hot stuff in this. I mean, look at that. This is great for like a picnic, or if we go to the beach or a water park, I can just have their lunches ready to go, and then they each open it and eat their lunch. These even have the capability of you also putting the covers. I mean, I thought that's why they were so cool, is that you were able to put these covers, and if, like, say for example, they don't eat their lunch, I was thinking of putting these on, and then when they were hungry, guess what, my friends? Your lunch is right here. Eat it. But then I tasted the food off of it and it tastes like soap. And what's funny is that they even say here that it can taste like soap. So look, it says care tips. I mean, look at this. Care tips for silicone products. Do not soak in soapy water. Place on top rack of the dishwasher. Use a mild detergent when washing. Boil for 15 minutes to remove unwanted odors and soap buildup. Remove non-silicone parts before boiling. So they know that it can taste like soap. That they have instructions on how to remove that. Wild. That to me is wild. Okay, last but not least, we have all of these. Oh my gosh, look, there's even food in here. How crazy. I'm going to obviously clean this because it is dirty, but I think I'm just gonna keep these that came with the set that I just bought. So let me fish them out. Leave them right over here. All right, we washed it, and this is basically what I'm going to keep. The new ones that we just got. Plus, I'm going to keep these silicone ones because these are really nice for yogurts when they're learning to use a spoon. It prevents the yogurt from slipping down compared to, like, say these. These are just really slippery. So, boom. Much less cluttered. We got the essentials. Good for now. All right, the next step is to clean all of this. So I'm going to be throwing this away. We officially can stop steaming. This Baby Brisa I'm going to be selling on Facebook Market. Who knows, maybe someone will buy it, maybe not. And then we're going to downsize this. Instead of 2, I'm going to only use 1. And the reason is I need to start weaning off my middle child from the bottle. So as soon as we clean her bottles, they're gonna go straight into the cupboard so that she doesn't see them, kind of out of sight, out of mind, hopefully. And only keep 1 for the baby's bottles. We have a lot to clean. And this whole shenanigans here is just a hot mess.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing.
much cleaner. I mean, besides the dirty dishes, we're about to tackle those, but look how much space we have. Less clutter, clear mind.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind.
And we are officially done. It looks so much better, less clutter. Goodbye to the baby phase in life. My kids are growing up and it was time to get rid of all the little baby things. The little one is starting to wake up from her nap just in time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter slash reorganize all of my little baby stuff. They grow up so fast. It is kind of bittersweet, not gonna lie, knowing that this is the last baby because we will not be having more. But yeah, it was time. There was too much clutter and it just clouds my mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.